Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to understand. Ethan thought he was making a great lunch choice, but a few minutes later he found himself looking at a huge plate of food and wondering what to do next. Then something unexpected happened. Here's today's listening question. What important thing does Ethan remember near the end of lunch? Listen carefully. The answer comes later in the story. When you hear it, write your answer in the comments. It helps you practice English and remember the story better. Let's begin.
Sarah, look at this.
What?
Look at my plate.
Yeah, that's a lot of food.
A lot? It's still half full.
You barely made a dent.
I know, I didn't expect this.
Really?
Really?
That's funny.
Why's that funny?
Because you picked this place.
I did.
And you picked that meal.
I did that too.
So what happened?
I thought it would be smaller.
Much smaller?
Much smaller.
That's hard to believe.
Why?
Because you spent 10 minutes looking at the menu.
I was being careful.
Apparently not careful enough.
Very funny.
I'm serious.
I saw a photo online this morning.
Ah, now we're getting somewhere.
The pasta looked great.
It does look good.
It looked normal in the photo.
Photos can be tricky.
You're telling me.
So the picture convinced you?
Yes.
Just one picture?
Pretty much.
That's dangerous.
I was hungry when I saw it.
That explains a lot.
I thought, that looks perfect.
And now?
Now I think this is enough food for 2 people.
Maybe 2.5.
Thank you for the support.
You're welcome.
Seriously, I didn't expect this.
I can tell.
I've been eating for 20 minutes.
And there's still a lot left.
Exactly.
Well, at least the food is good.
It is really good.
That's the good news.
What's the bad news?
You still have all that pasta to do with.
Yeah, that's becoming a problem.
Maybe. Let's see what happens. So, tell me the whole story.
Which story?
The story behind that giant plate.
It's not very exciting.
Try me.
My morning was busy.
Busy how?
I had an early meeting.
That's normal for you.
This one started at 8.
Ouch.
Exactly.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I skipped it.
Really?
I was running late.
That explains something.
Then I had another meeting.
Right after the first one?
Right after.
Sounds like a long morning.
It felt very long.
So you were hungry.
Very hungry.
Hungry enough to order half the menu?
Apparently.
I can see that.
Around 11, I started thinking about lunch.
That's when you saw the photo?
Yes.
And then?
I couldn't stop thinking about it.
The pasta?
The pasta.
That's impressive.
I thought I could finish it.
You were confident.
Too confident.
What was going through your head?
I kept saying, I'm really hungry.
Famous last words.
Pretty much.
Did the menu say it was large?
It did.
And you ignored that part.
Maybe.
Ethan.
Okay, yes.
Thank you for being honest.
I saw the word large.
And?
I thought, how large can it be?
Now you know.
Now I know.
This is a good lesson.
What lesson?
Never order food when you're too hungry.
That's actually good advice.
You're welcome.
The funny thing is, I wasn't even that hungry when the food arrived.
Really?
I drank 2 glasses of water.
Ah.
Then the hunger disappeared a little.
But the giant plate stayed.
Unfortunately, yes.
So now what?
That's a good question.
You still have a lot of food left.
I know.
And lunch break is almost over.
Don't remind me.
You're going to need a plan.
Yeah, I think you're right.
So, what's the plan?
I'm still thinking
About the pasta?
about all this pasta.
You could leave it.
I don't want to do that.
Why not?
It's good food,
That's true.
and I paid for it.
Also true.
I don't want to waste it.
I wouldn't want to waste it either.
Exactly.
Then take it home.
Maybe I will.
That sounds easy enough.
Normally, yes.
Normally?
Today's a little different.
How so?
I'm not going home after work.
Oh?
I'm going to the gym.
Right. I forgot about that.
I signed up for a class tonight.
The new fitness class?
Yeah,
The one you've been talking about all week?
that's the one.
So you'll be carrying pasta around all afternoon?
That's what I'm thinking.
Not ideal.
Not at all.
Can you put it in the office fridge?
Maybe.
Why maybe?
The office fridge is always full.
Good point.
Last week I couldn't even fit a sandwich in there.
I remember that.
Someone had 3 lunch boxes on one shelf.
That was ridiculous.
Very ridiculous.
Okay, new idea.
I'm listening.
Take it to the gym.
To the gym.
Why not?
Because that's strange.
A little strange.
A little? Okay, very strange.
Thank you.
I'm trying to help.
I appreciate that. What time does the class end?
Around 7.
Then you'll go home?
Yes,
The food should be fine.
probably.
So we're back to taking it home?
Looks that way.
Honestly, that's what I would do.
You're probably right.
Besides, it's a lot of food.
It really is.
It would make a great dinner
That's true.
or lunch tomorrow.
Also true.
So what's stopping you?
Nothing really.
Then I think you have your answer.
Yeah, maybe I'll take it home.
Maybe?
Okay, I'll take it home.
There we go.
Now I just need a box.
That sounds like the easy part.
I hope so. Excuse me.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I get a to-go box?
Of course,
Thanks.
no problem.
I have a lot of food left.
I can see that.
I thought I could finish it.
You're not the first person to say that.
Really?
Happens all the time.
That makes me feel a little better.
Don't worry about it.
Is this one of the bigger dishes?
Actually, yes.
I wish I knew that earlier.
It says large on the menu.
Yeah, I've heard that already today.
Let me guess, your friend told you.
More than once.
Sounds about right.
She enjoyed reminding me.
Good friends usually do.
That's true.
Did you enjoy the food?
Very much.
Glad to hear it.
The pasta was great.
That's one of our most popular dishes.
I can understand why.
A lot of people order it.
And a lot of people take some home.
Absolutely.
That makes me feel even better.
Nothing unusual about it.
Good.
I'll grab a box for you.
Thank you.
Be right back.
Sure.
Here you go.
Perfect.
Would you like a bag, too?
Yes, please.
No problem.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Do many people take food home these days?
I'd say most people do,
Really?
especially with larger meals.
That makes sense.
Some people plan for leftovers.
They plan for it?
Sure.
That's interesting.
They'll eat half today and half tomorrow.
That's actually smart.
Saves time and money.
I should start doing that.
A lot of regular customers do.
Maybe I accidentally made a smart decision today,
Maybe you did.
even if it wasn't my plan.
Those are sometimes the best plans.
Fair point.
Anything else I can get for you?
I think that's everything.
Great.
Thanks for your help.
Happy to help.
Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Take care.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Looks like you got your box.
I did.
Problem solved?
Mostly.
Mostly?
I'm still thinking about when I'll eat this.
Tonight, probably.
Maybe.
That's not very convincing.
I know.
You're still not sure, are you?
Not completely.
Well, start packing it up first.
Good idea.
That's still a lot of pasta.
I told you.
You weren't kidding.
Not even a little.
At least it smells good.
It does.
What's your gym class tonight?
Strength training.
Are you excited?
A little nervous, actually.
Really?
I've never taken this class before.
You'll be fine.
I hope so.
Just don't bring the pasta into the workout room.
Very funny.
I'm serious.
I'll keep that in mind.
Thank you.
Wait a second.
What?
I just remembered something.
That doesn't sound good.
No, it's actually good.
Okay, now I'm curious.
My brother is coming tonight.
Your brother?
Yeah,
I thought he lived 3 hours away.
he does.
So why is he coming?
He's in town for a meeting tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's right.
I completely forgot.
When is he arriving?
Around 7:30.
That's not too late.
And he'll probably be hungry.
After a 3-hour drive?
Exactly.
That's perfect.
That's what I was thinking.
Does he like pasta?
He loves pasta,
Even better.
especially chicken pasta.
Seriously?
It's one of his favorite meals.
Wow.
Now this whole situation makes sense.
How so?
I don't have too much food anymore.
You have dinner for 2.
Exactly.
That worked out nicely.
It really did.
And you almost left it here.
Don't remind me.
Your brother would never forgive you.
You're probably right.
What does he usually do when he visits?
Mostly we talk, watch a game, and catch up.
Sounds nice.
We don't see each other enough.
Then tonight should be fun.
I think so too.
And now you already have food ready.
One less thing to worry about.
See?
See what?
Sometimes a problem becomes a solution.
That's actually pretty good advice.
I have my moments.
Apparently you do.
Well, I think everything worked out.
Yeah, it really did.
You seem a lot happier now.
I am.
Even happier than when the food arrived?
That's probably true.
At the beginning of lunch, you looked confused.
I was confused.
Then you looked worried.
Not worried. Maybe surprised.
Fair enough.
I honestly didn't know what to do with all that food.
And now?
Now I have a plan.
That's always a good feeling.
Definitely.
Your brother is getting a free dinner.
He'll be very happy about that.
You should probably tell him.
Maybe I'll surprise him.
That's not a bad idea.
He'll walk in and see pasta waiting for him.
And he'll think you're an amazing host.
Let's not go that far.
I'm serious.
He knows me too well.
That's true.
He'll probably ask where I bought it.
Then you'll tell him the story.
The whole story?
The whole story.
About the giant portion?
Especially that part.
He'll laugh.
I would laugh too.
You already did.
Good point.
More than once, actually.
I regret nothing.
I figured.
Are you going to come back here?
To this restaurant?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Even after today?
Especially after today.
Why?
The food was great.
That's true.
The service was great too.
Also true.
Next time I'll just order something smaller.
A wise decision.
I've learned my lesson.
Have you?
I think so.
We'll see.
You don't trust me?
Not when you're hungry.
That's fair.
Very fair.
At least nothing went to waste.
That's the important thing.
I agree.
And now you don't need to think about dinner.
Another bonus.
Today turned out pretty well.
Better than I expected.
That's nice to hear.
Sometimes things work out on their own.
Sometimes they do.
Ready to head back?
I guess we should.
The afternoon is waiting for us.
Unfortunately.
Come on.
Okay.
Thanks for lunch.
Anytime.
And thanks for helping me solve my pasta problem.
Happy to help.
I appreciate it.
That's what coworkers are for.
Good coworkers, anyway.
Exactly.
Let's get back to work.
Lead the way. So, let's review your adventure today.
My adventure?
Yes, the great pasta adventure.
That sounds dramatic.
It was a little dramatic.
Fine, let's review it.
Good. What happened first?
First, I skipped breakfast.
That's where the trouble started.
Probably.
Then what happened?
Then I spent the morning in meetings.
Right.
Then I got very hungry.
Very hungry.
Extremely hungry.
And then?
Then I saw a photo of chicken pasta.
The famous photo.
Exactly.
What happened after that?
After that, I decided to order the large pasta.
Without thinking carefully.
Thank you for adding that part.
You're welcome.
Then the food arrived.
And?
It was bigger than I thought.
Much bigger.
Much bigger.
Then what?
Then I realized I couldn't finish it.
That's true.
I had a lot of food left.
A lot of food.
You're enjoying this story too much.
Maybe a little.
Then I had to make a decision.
What decision?
I didn't want to waste it.
Good choice.
So I decided to take it home.
And what did you say?
I said, "Can I get a to-go box?"
Perfect.
The server said, "Of course."
Nice and easy.
Very easy.
Then what happened?
After that, I packed the pasta.
Right.
Then I remembered my brother was coming tonight.
The important detail.
Exactly.
And your brother loves pasta.
He does.
So suddenly, the leftovers became dinner.
Dinner for two.
That's why everything worked out well.
It really did.
What was the best part of the day?
Honestly,
Honestly.
finding out the food wouldn't go to waste.
That's a good answer.
What about you?
Watching you realize how big the meal was.
I should have known.
You definitely should have known.
Thanks for the support.
Always happy to help.
Next time I'll order something smaller.
I've heard that before.
This time I mean it.
We'll see.
You really don't believe me?
Not completely.
Fair enough.
So, where should we go next week?
Good question.
Somewhere with smaller portions?
That's one option.
Or somewhere with great leftovers?
That's also a good option.
I'll let you decide.
That's dangerous.
We already know that.
Good point.
Well, we're almost back at the office.
Looks like it.
Ready for the rest of the day?
I think so.
Good.
And tonight I'll enjoy the rest of that pasta.
With your brother.
With my brother.
Sounds like a good evening.
I think it will be.
Glad everything worked out well.
Me too. Thanks again.
Anytime.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you for listening to English Listening Stories. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation. Before you go, let's review a few useful English expressions from the story. Work out. Sarah said, "Everything worked out." This means everything ended well. Example from today's story. Ethan had too much pasta at first, but everything worked out because his brother was visiting that evening. Catch up. Ethan said, "We usually talk, watch a game, and catch up." Catch up means talking with someone after not seeing them for some time. In the story, Ethan was looking forward to catching up with his brother. Keep in mind. Ryan said, "Keep that in mind." This means remember something because it may be useful later. Example, Ethan said he would keep that advice in mind. Now let's go back to today's listening question. What important thing does Ethan remember near the end of lunch? Write your answer in the comments. Writing a comment is great English practice, and it can help you remember new words and expressions longer. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing listening practice. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can join our channel membership. Thank you for listening. Take your time, enjoy your English journey, and I'll see you in the next story. Goodbye.